Hi, my name is Eric Seale, and I am the Artistic Director at the Hickory Community Theater. So what an artistic director does is they're the person in charge of all of the artistic decisions for a theater. So they choose the plays the theater does, they help hire the actors and the technicians, and basically plan the overall artistic look for the theater and the direction the theater is going to go in. Well, that can vary from different types of theaters and based on different types of plays. But on average, a director such as myself will work on a show for almost a year, planning what they want to do, getting royalties, and putting the team together. And then from auditions to the show opening can be anywhere from 5 to 8 weeks. So I've been working in the arts professionally for 15 years and 25 years total. And of all of the shows I've ever done, my absolute favorite is a play about professional wrestling called The Elaborate Entrance of Chad Deity. So in addition to my job, the artistic director, the main staff also has a managing director. They're in charge of the finances and raising money. We have an administrative director who handles our bookkeeping and our bills. We have a costume designer, they design all the costumes for the season. Technical director, they're in charge of building the stages here and the overall tech. We also have a full-time box office manager. Then we have contractors, which are like our actors, our designers, set designers, and sound designers. There's lots of different kinds of jobs at different kinds of levels. Well, if you're just talking about working in the theater, you don't have to have any experience at all. You can just get started and gain your experience doing shows. You can start at any level and any experience level in theater. That's one of the great things about it. To get to where I am and the type of job that I have requires years of learning the craft, producing shows, reading plays, putting on plays. But just as an example, I started my very first theater company myself before I'd even gone to college. Yeah, my favorite part of my job is actually directing plays. I love the rehearsal process. It's fun once the play opens, but the best part is the rehearsal period before it even opens, when you're working with the actors and trying new things and learning about the text and just experimenting and being creative and trying lots of new things. So on a day-to-day basis, I work with about 4 or 5 people all the time, but on individual shows that changes as the cast and crew sizes will change. So on a big production, I might be working with upwards of 60 people to put on a show, and then with smaller shows, it may only be a handful.